Allah the Almighty says, O the unwrapped one, stand praying at night, but for a short time, half night, or make it a little less than that, or make it a little more than that, and recite Quran slowly. Undoubtedly soon we shall cast on you a weighty word. Undoubtedly getting up at night is the most pressing, and the word is pronounced most rightly. Undoubtedly you have chain of engagements during the day. Surah Al-Muzammil, verse 1 to 7. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, He knows, O Muslims, you will not be able to count the night. Then He turned towards you out of His mercy. Now recite from the Quran as much as easy for you. He knows that soon some of you will fall ill, and some others will travel in the earth, seeking the bounty of Allah, and some others will be fighting in the way of Allah. So recite Quran what you can, and continue establishing prayer, and pay the poor due zakat, and give a goodly loan to Allah. And whatever good you will send forward for you, you will find it with Allah as better and greater reward. Surah Al-Muzammil, verse 20. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Nasha in Ethiopian language means to stay, and Vitha means the accord closely with ear, eye, and heart. Hazrat Humayd reports that he heard Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu saying, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would omit observing fast in any month, we would imagine he would not fast in the month, but he would start to observe fast. Then we would think that he would not leave even a single of them. If you wanted to observe him performing prayer at night, you could observe him doing so. And if you wanted to see him sleeping, you could see him doing so. Suleiman and Abu Khalid Ahmar corroborated him from Humayd. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1141.